So many Lego sets are retiring by end of 2025, and in this video we are taking a quick look at 5 awesome sets priced between $30 and $40 that are worth grabbing before they are gone. First up, we have the Mobile Police Dog Training from Lego City theme. With 197 pieces and 30 US dollars, this set comes with 2 minifigures, one dog and one puppy figure. The set comes with a police canine SUV, a trailer, a training course, and a small outdoor setup. It offers tons of playability, and vehicle is spacious, well designed, and fits easily into any Lego City layout. However, the price is a bit steep for under 200 pieces. So, though it is a nice set to buy before it retires, it's better to also wait for a discount. Next, we have the Jungle Explorer truck from Lego City theme with 314 pieces and a price of 35 US dollars. This set comes with 3 Jungle Explorer minifigures and a tiger figure. The set features a highly detailed jungle truck with camera boom, storage compartments, and lot of space for minifigures to sit. It also includes a small jungle terrain and a beautifully molded tiger. One highlight here is it comes with the nostalgic Johnny Thunder minifigure, which longtime Lego fans will absolutely love. This set is a perfect blend of action and nostalgia. Next up, we have the attractive mini Disney Castle. This set comes with 567 pieces, one minifigure, and is priced at 40 US dollars. This beautiful microscale version of Cinderella's castle commemorates 50 years of Walt Disney World. It's a detailed display piece with great part usage and color accuracy. And at just 7 cents per piece, this is a set not to be missed. Next up, we have the exclusive set Everyone is Awesome. This set comes with 346 pieces, 11 minifigures, and is priced at 35 US dollars. This set is a powerful celebration of diversity and inclusion, and the set is also designed by Lego VP of Design Matthew Ashton. This bold and meaningful set with 11 unique single color minifigures with unique hairstyle in front of a rainbow backdrop is an amazing display piece. This is a set not to be missed. Finally, we have the Fortnite Supply Llama. This set comes with 691 pieces, no minifigures, and is priced at 40 US dollars. That means we are just paying 6 cents per piece, which is incredible value. This set brings the iconic llama to life with an interactive loot drop mechanism and a super vibrant, accurate design. This is a perfect set for gifting or for anyone who appreciates fun and colorful builds. So that's it for this video. 5 great Lego sets between 30 and $40 with rave reviews and are expected to retire by end of 2025. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.